16 cool fun facts for children. Children, let's read. Did you know that the earth is mostly covered by water? About 71% of its surface. Did you ever wonder why zebras have black and white stripes? It helps them blend in with grass. Did you learn that the Tyrannosaurus Rex had really tiny arms? Did you spot the bright red ladybug crawling on a leaf? They bring good luck. Did you know that some frogs can change colors? Did you know that honey never spoils and can last for thousands of years? Did you know that elephants are the only animals that can't jump? Did you know that a group of lions is called a pride? Did you know that some plants can eat insects? They are called carnivorous plants. Did you know that your heart beats around 100,000 times a day? Did you know that a rainbow is actually a circle, but we usually see only part of it? Did you know that pumpkins are fruits, not vegetables? Did you know that kangaroos can't walk backward? Did you know that some turtles can live for more than 100 years? Did you know that lightning can be 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? Great work, children! Ten cool fun facts about animals. Children, let's read. Did you hear that dolphins are excellent swimmers and love to play in the waves? Did you know that bees make honey from flower nectar? Did you learn that a group of butterflies is called a flutter? Did you notice that chameleons can change color to blend in with their surroundings? Did you find out that the cheetah is the fastest land animal reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. Did you realize that a group of penguins is called a waddle? Did you discover that the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs? Did you ever wonder why flamingos stand on one leg? It's their way of conserving energy. Great work, children! Practice reading sentences begins with "Did you?" Children, let's read. Follow this pointer. Did you hear the birds singing in the morning? Let's repeat, children. Did you hear the birds singing in the morning? Did you see the rainbow after the rain? Did you see the rainbow after the rain? Did you know that bees make honey from flower nectar? Did you know that bees make honey from flower nectar? Did you dance like nobody was watching? Did you dance like nobody was watching? Did you learn a new word today? Did you learn a new word today? Did you dream of flying like a superhero? Did you dream of flying like a superhero? Did you draw a picture of your favorite animal? Did you draw a picture of your favorite animal? Did you count the colorful balloons at the party? Did you count the colorful balloons at the party? Did you watch the stars twinkle in the night sky? Did you watch the stars twinkle in the night sky? Did you feel the soft fur of a bunny? Did you feel the soft fur of a bunny? Did you touch the cool sand at the beach? Did you touch the cool sand at the beach? Great work, children!